Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by confirming two essentials. You have a Power BI Pro or Premium per user license, and the report is published to the service. Once done, sign in at the Power BI service. Make sure you're in the correct workspace. Now locate your report or dashboard, open it, and use the top right Share or File menu. This first action prepares the object you'll link to and clarifies whether recipients need view-only or editing rights before generating a link. With the report open, click Share or use File, then Embed for portals and pick the link option. Explain why. Choosing specific people restricts access, while people in your org is faster for broad internal sharing. Set permissions. View only unless edit is needed. Once permissions are set, click Copy Link and test it yourself in an incognito window. This confirms the link behaves as intended. If embedding, generate the secure embed code and copy it into your target portal or app. Send the copied link via email, Teams, or your intranet and include a short note about required access. Once delivered, monitor for access issues. If someone reports a problem, make sure they have a Power BI Pro or PPU license and workspace permissions. If the link still fails, open Manage Permissions on the dataset or report to inspect granted users. As a tip, revoke and reissue the link after adjusting permissions to force a fresh access token. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.